Hi, it's Amanda from OmniCNC. This is an inch to Omni fiber laser cutting machine model number 30x15. This fiber laser machine working area is 1.5 meter in X direction and 3 meters in Y direction. 4 meters, 6 meters, and 12 meters are available in Y direction, considering that you can cut different length sheet and pipes. The fiber laser cutting machine 3015 is a real powerhouse that can cut through metals like a hot knife through butter. Its advanced technology uses a fiber laser source that produces an incredibly strong beam of light. The beam heats up and melts metal, creating an ultra-precise and narrow cut that's as clean as a whistle. The quality and precision of cut are top-notch, and the machine can do it all with ease. One of the biggest advantages of this fiber laser cutter is its versatility. It can cut sheet metal up to 20 mm thick and pipes up to 200 mm in diameter, making it ideal for a variety of applications in different industries, such as automotive manufacturing, aerospace, and metal fabrication. This fiber laser cutter is built with a robust structure and high-quality components that ensure reliable and consistent performance. Every day before we turn on the fiber laser cutting machine, we have to turn on the industrial chiller and air compressor. Then we turn on the machine power, press the button of the laser chiller servo and computer. The software we offered is SubCut and Tube Pro, so it can meet your demands on the sheet metal and tube cutting. When the fiber laser machine finishes work every day, be sure to clean the table and return the laser head to their home positions. Power off the controller, chiller, air compressor, and return all the tools to their locations. So, this is a quick demo of fiber laser cutting machine, and I wish you to see you in next video and subscribe us.